Yeah, I actually just recently had something come across on social media that I found interesting. Um, I personally used to think that it was the way the office smelled. It was the way the office looked. It was, the way the website looked that mattered more than anything. But this recent survey sort of took that and threw it up, like completely, like, flipped it upside down for me and said that patients mostly look at whether or not the dentist on the other sort of side of the conversation comes across as a competent individual or not. All these other things, all these things that, the office has to look this way or the website has to look that way, those are all important, right? But there is this whole, people are interviewing you as a dental office before they even come in, right?
Yeah.
So all those things are sort of, I used to think those were the things that made us stand apart back, especially, 10, 15 years ago. Yeah, if you had a great looking website, that made you stand apart. But now everyone has a great looking website. And
Hmm.
I think that's like a no-brainer, and it's almost a necessity now. Same thing with
Yeah.
SEO. It's like a no, you have to have SEO.
Yeah.
Not having SEO, you don't have a chance, right?
Well, it's almost like
So
having a phone, right? Like it's like, yeah, you have
yeah,
to have a phone to be in business.
of
It's kind of
course,
a
right.
no-brainer. Yeah.
So I would want to caution people to say like what got you, what was necessary back then is sort of almost a given that you sort of have to have in place now.